Today we're going to visit and walk through a World War II Fletcher-class destroyer, the Sullivans. The ship is named in honor of the 5 Sullivan brothers from Waterloo, Iowa, George, Francis, Joseph, Madison, and Albert Sullivan, who insisted on serving together aboard the Juneau during World War II. Tragically, the Juneau was sunk during the Battle of Guadalcanal in 1942, and all 5 brothers were killed. This devastating event became one of the most famous family tragedies of the war and led to policy changes in how the U.S. military assigns siblings to duty. The Navy named the Sullivans in their memory, the first U.S. Navy ship ever named after more than one person, and a powerful symbol of family, sacrifice, and national service. Fletcher-class destroyers like this one were designed for anti-aircraft, anti-submarine, and escort duties, and were considered fast, versatile, and well-armed for the time. The Sullivans was donated to the city of Buffalo in 1977 and became a museum ship shortly after. It's been designated a National Historic Landmark since 1986. But more than a warship, the Sullivans is a living tribute to a family sacrifice and American resilience. The story of the Sullivan brothers is taught in classrooms, remembered in naval policy, and felt strongly by anyone who walks her decks. In 2021 and 2022, the ship began listing due to hull deterioration and water intrusion. A massive preservation project raised over $1 million, and emergency efforts were made to save the ship from sinking. It's now safely restored and stabilized for future generations to tour. This Fletcher-class destroyer was commissioned on September 30th, 1943. It has a length of 376.5 feet and had a crew of 329 men. It was decommissioned in 1965. The ship is pretty huge. There's about 2,100 tons standard. The speed was actually pretty fast at 35 knots. The armaments for its World War II era had 5 5-inch 38 caliber dual-purpose guns, 10 40mm anti-aircraft guns, 7 20mm anti-aircraft cannons, 10 21-inch torpedo tubes, and depth charge projections and racks. The engine produced 60,000 horsepower from 4 boilers and 2 steam turbines. The range for the ship was over 6,000 nautical miles at 15 knots per hour. The Sullivans served in World War II, the Korean War, and had later Cold War duties. It participated in the Pacific Theater in World War II around the Marshall Islands, Saipan, Guam, the Philippines, and Okinawa. It served in Task Force 58, helping protect aircraft carriers during major operations. And it was engaged in shore bombardments, anti-sub patrols, and rescue missions for downed pilots. During the Korean War, it was recommissioned in 1951 and provided gunfire support and patrol services. During the Cold War, it did NATO training cruises and fleet exercises before being decommissioned again in 1965. The Sullivans is an amazing piece of history. Let's take a tour of this amazing ship together. If you have not already, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. If you missed the last video, we visited and toured the USS Croker, a World War II era submarine. And coming up next is our visit and tour of the USS Arkansas, a Cleveland Light class cruiser.